In this quick video, I'm gonna share with you guys two good winter prep products here. This is the meguiar's Professional Pumice Sealant and the meguiar's Ultra Finishing Polish. We just combo these together as a good winter prep product, man. We're using the Ultra Finishing Polish for the polish, and then we're gonna use the Pumice Sealant for the kind of seal in, put protection on the paint. Alright, y'all, we out here chilling around, messing with these cars a little bit. That's all we're doing. Alright, so let's get into it, man. Let's play with her a little bit. Alright, let's hit it. So y'all see how bad she look, man. The paint kind of oxidized. It's sitting here chilling. So we're gonna see what it'll do. Y'all got this truck in new. Just about new, I would say. Drove it for years. It ain't never been good on gas. Never. Got that inline 6-cylinder in here. But like I said, it won't never good on gas. Yep. Okay, let's polish it. I won't polish it out though. That Pumice Sealant is your protection. Easy to spread too. That's what you look for. Just work it in there. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, I gotta paint up my road bars too, eventually. Yeah. Still need repaint up on them. Other than that, it's a pretty nice looking Jeep. Yes, sir. Ain't bad at all. Nice looking Jeep. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all here. I got it back in like 96, 97. I think it's it's a 98 model, I think, 97. About new back then. Alright, so let's go ahead and buff it off. Back then the truck was about brand new. Back when I got in the 90s. I think it's like a 96, 97. Whatever it is, it was about new then when I bought this truck. Back when I got this truck, it wasn't many SUVs around. SUV wasn't that popular then, like they is today. That's how long it's been since I bought this truck. So y'all can see how it transformed the hood already. As you can see here. All right. You can tell it's different from where the baller sits. Check this out. Look at here, y'all. Look how I basically brought the paint back. See there? You can see that gloss from a distance. Look at there. So, y'all see it. Look at there. Look good, man. Yes, sir. I ain't got it all off yet. Anyway, just sharing y'all some winter prep products for my subscribers. Alright, hit that subscribe.